today was to wake up before the sunlight started peaking. As y'all can see, no sunlight yet. The clouds are starting to illuminate a little bit, but we did it. Woke up at 6 o'clock today, got ready by 6:30, and we're at the house, starting this new morning routine. Boy is back home now. Just finished that walk. I ended up doing 5 miles and I'm trying to make that a routine. I just want to improve a little bit better on the health side of things. I just finished up doing some packages, so huge shout out to everybody that supports the website shopsoultopia.com. That's where you can find a bunch of my products like shoes, custom goods, and all that good stuff. So if you guys would like to support the vlog channel, peep the link down below. I'm also going to be doing some crazy sales at the end of the month, so stay tuned for that. As you guys may know, we just did a trip to LA in the ls430, and this is probably the reason you clicked this video. Everything looks clean. All right. And oh, whoa, look at this, guys. This is the first time I've ever had this happen, and this car isn't even low. Look at that. So basically I was exiting a super steep driveway, and when I turned the steering wheel, it basically pulled out the fender right here. In today's video, we're gonna attempt to fix that. I have no idea how that's gonna go, but that bothers me because this LS is so clean, man. Why? Yo, I'm just praying that we're able to save that fender, bro. I was looking at new ones and I think I found them for like $500 or $600, and then after paint and all that, I think it's gonna be about like $1,000. Or we have another option where we could get it from a used car that got wrecked, and the fenders are like $200-300, but I feel like when you buy used parts like that, the paint isn't gonna be the same. Like, it's not gonna match right. I don't know, man. I don't know. We're gonna weigh our options out. I had a lot of homies hit me up and they're like, bro, the same thing happened to my LS, this and that. And I was like, I don't wish this upon anyone, man. At least it wasn't the Tesla. Ooh, freshly paved road. Okay, I see you. This is lit. It's so smooth. I love it. All right, guys, we just arrived at Extreme Sounds and Lights out here on 10th Street. Like I said, our boy Barrett is gonna do his magic. Dang, guys, look at this. Look at that paint. The paint is crazy. Look at all those spokes. Yeesh. I like this paint though. It's crazy. So we're at the new Extreme shop right now. He still has the other one on Thule. That's a lot bigger. Here's a sneak preview at the new shop. Jeez. So much bigger than the other one, guys. There's so much space here. The display isn't done yet. Still waiting on a couple of signs, but this thing looks amazing. Extreme Sounds and Lights. This is on 10th Street. I'll have all of their info down below in the description if you guys want to drop by and check them out. So the homie On pretty much did all of this right here, this whole wall. Dude went crazy. It took a minute to do it, but this display looks insane. I love the gloss paneling, the lighting and everything makes it look super nice. These speakers right here are probably for like Jeeps or boats or something. Outdoor speakers. I think I've seen these on a couple boats. You guys let me know in the comment section. Look at that. They changed colors and all that. They also have keys and stuff over here as well. Just dropped off the keys. One last look at the fender right here. Pulled out like crazy. Oh man, I've seen some people peel this back. If you don't heat it right, the paint could crack right here and your whole fender becomes rusty. So at that point, it'd be better to just replace this whole thing. Honestly, I still can't believe it. How the hell did this happen? While we wait for the car to get fixed, we're gonna try to perfect this Thai tea mix today. Last time we just tried making it with powder, but this time we actually have the authentic Thai tea leaves in there. Don't mind the container, we're working on it. We got our boba and we got our bag of ice. Hopefully all goes well, and by the end of the day, we're gonna have a solid Thai tea. Looking real nice. I'm trying to be healthy, so Darius is gonna have to taste test this one for us.
What up? I mess with it.
All right, everybody, it's the next day now. We're gonna check out this fender. Here's how we're looking. From afar, it doesn't look too bad. You could tell that the fender is definitely damaged. It doesn't really look like it's perfect. So the homie over at Extreme went ahead and tried to tuck it back as best as he could without ruining the paint. He was telling me that when this happened, it pretty much overstretched the fender, and if you try to push it back to where it would be originally, a lot of the paint would just start cracking, and we didn't want to deal with that. So he tried to make it look the best that he could, and this is what we're working with. Sad day, sad day. If you guys were in my position, what would you guys do? The only options I'm thinking of is either just leaving it like this, eventually fixing it, or do I just go ahead, bite the bullet, and fix this thing? Finding a used fender for a good price, somewhat difficult, and then doing the paint on that will take some time as well. So I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think. It's definitely not a priority for me right now though. Like, this sucks and all, but I really want to save my money, and I really don't want to spend my money excessively like that, man. I've been on a really good streak. Let me know what you guys think. I'll put a before and after picture for you guys, just so you guys can have a little comparison. Quick switch of cameras. Hey, what's good? Right now I'm picking winners for this giveaway that I did a while back, almost a month ago. And the thing is that whenever I do a giveaway, there's so many people that never follow the instructions. Come on, man. So I'm using this site to generate these names to pick it for me, you know what I mean? And I'm having the hardest time finding people that are actually following through, and it's like, bro, I feel so bad. Aha, here we go. Let's go, man. Nathan Sage. Wait, he got a picture with TC Low? Bruh. All right, man. It was easier when you guys were helping me because I had to do that about 5 times because I had 5 winners, multiple tries until I found some people that were actually following. If you guys ever enter a giveaway, make sure you follow all the directions. I just finished filming a quick little video for the main channel, and it was on this mystery box that I got recently, mainly size 11. So if you guys are looking for anything, check the site shopsotopia.com. Butters is on a little nap sesh right now. Super sleepy. So I went to the mall yesterday and I was like, I'm inspired. I want a longboard again. So I got a longboard. Every longboard that I've got in the past was a Sector 9. So I was like, yup. Yo, yesterday I was just looking at like the top part of the board. I didn't notice freaking Bob Marley was playing ping pong. That's kind of lit. This board is crazy though. I've been doing really good, being active, doing my walks and all that. I know you guys are seeing this video probably a couple days after I originally started filming, so I'm 5 pounds down, and yeah, I'm just being more active and eating healthier. Yeah, man, everything's good. Oh, and quick shout out to the person that sent me these a while back. It's been a few years, but one of you guys, a subscriber, sent me these, and I was like, yup, I got my skate shoes now. So yes, I've been wearing them, I've been enjoying them. This board is so smooth. Yo, one thing that I hate about normal skateboards is how loud they are and how freaking choppy it feels when you ride it. Like, you gotta watch out for cracks, rocks, and all that. But a longboard feels so much more smooth, and you just glide through. You're basically surfing the streets. Yesterday I was going through my old videos from like 3 or 4 years ago, and I was like, man, bro, my memory is so trash. Basically, when I vlog, this is my diary to myself. This is where I can reference things. This is where I can relive memories. You could do it through photos, but bro, photos aren't the same. If you guys had a video log of you just doing your thing, you know, whatever that may be, working, hanging out with friends, hanging out with family, just a log of you just enjoying life. And you can reference that and look at yourself in, I don't know, 5 to 10 years. Don't you think that would be dope? That's the main reason I started this channel. For a while I was like, I gotta curate content all the time for this channel, but in actuality, I kinda just wanna pick up the camera whenever and give you guys a glimpse of what I do on the daily without overthinking the whole content thing. You know, spending money for videos, coming up with crazy thumbnails, coming up with crazy titles. Just vlog, just have fun. And even if y'all wanna do it too, here's my message to you. Just do it for yourself, bro. Guys, so I just got an air fryer yesterday, and I was like, Okay, we're gonna try making some wings. So this is dinner, bunch of protein, got some peppers in there. My mom whipped up the sauce, and yeah, it looks really good. Time to indulge. Dinner was great. I'm gonna call it a night right now. I just finished working on some items for you guys for the website. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to everybody that has been ordering. I do appreciate you guys so much. Look, man, I don't know if y'all could see that. There we go. It's 9:30 and man, I'm calling it a day. Lately, I've been trying to sleep before 10 o'clock, 10:30, pushing it. And waking up at like 5:30, 5:45, and it's been going pretty well, man. I've been waking up normally at that time without my alarm, so my body has adjusted pretty well to it, and I've been pretty productive, so there's a lot of improving going on right now, man. Anyways, I'll catch you guys for the next vlog. I'm gonna just pick up this camera here and there and bring you guys along for my day. It's not gonna be too crazy. Again, don't expect any like fabricated thumbnails, crazy titles. I'm just gonna make vlogs. Sound good? All right, y'all. Catch y'all very soon. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.